Welcome to Employment and Education News.
Please subscribe the channel to know the latest update. It is free. 1 welfare officer, 3 supervisor store, 1 supervisor environment, 1 junior Hindi translator post vacancy in security paper mill, Narmadapuram. Eligibility: graduation, diploma in engineering, BE or BTech, master degree in Hindi or English with English or Hindi as a subject at graduation level. Age limit maximum 30 years. Apply between 16 February 2022 to 11 March 2022 only through the SPM website http://spm-hosangabad.spmcil.com. NMDC Limited vacancy for field attendant, maintenance assistant, MCO, HCM mechanic, electrician, blaster, OCA. Eligibility: ITI, diploma in engineering, BSc chemistry, geology. Age limit maximum 30 years. Last date for application 2nd March 2022. NMDC Limited vacancy for junior officer. Eligibility: diploma in civil, mechanical, mine and mine survey and mining engineering, MSc or MTech in geology, applied geology. Age limit maximum 32 years. Last date for application 27 February 2022. Power Grid Corporation of India Limited vacancy for assistant officer trainee finance. Eligibility: CA, ICWA, CMA. Age limit maximum 28 years as on 31 January 2022. Last date for application 28 February 2022. Application fees 500 and no fee for SC, ST, PWD and ex-serviceman candidate. NBCC India Limited vacancy for assistant manager, senior project executive. Eligibility: degree in computer science and engineering, IT, electronics and communication engineering, MCA, LLB with experience. Age limit maximum 30 years. Last date for application 4 March 2022. Application fees 1000 and no fee for SC, ST, PWD and departmental candidates. 74 mining overman, 103 Sardar post vacancy in National Thermal Power Corporation. Eligibility: diploma in mining engineering, 10th with Sardar certificate with experience. Age limit maximum 57 years. Last date for application 15 March 2022. Salary 40,000 for Sardar and 50,000 for mining overman. 313 mining Sardar post vacancy in Eastern Coalfields Limited. Eligibility: 12th with mining Sardar certificate. Apply between 20 February 2022 and 10 March 2022. Salary Rs 31,852. Indian Oil vacancy for technical assistant, engineering assistant. Eligibility: ITI, diploma in engineering. Age limit between 18 to 26 years. Last date for application 18 February 2022. Salary as per pay scale 23,000 to 78,000 for technical assistant, 25,000 to 1,05,000 for engineering assistant. 1 security officer, 11 technical assistant and 24 technician post vacancy in CSIR Central Electronics Engineering Research Institute. Eligibility: ITI diploma. Age limit 28 years for technical assistant and technician, 35 years for security officer. Last date for application 1 March 2022. Salary as per pay level 2, 6 and 7. NHPC Limited vacancy for junior engineer. Eligibility: diploma in civil, electrical and mechanical engineering with 60%. Age limit maximum 30 years. Last date for application 21 February 2022. Application fees 295 for general, EWS, OBC and no fee for SC, ST, PWD and ex-serviceman. Power Grid recruitment of assistant engineer through GATE 2021. Eligibility: BE or BTech in computer science, information technology, civil, electronics and electrical engineering. Age limit maximum 28 years. Application process: apply online through www.powergrid.in by providing GATE 2021 details. Last date for application 20 February 2022. Junior Research Fellow post vacancy in Defense Bioengineering and Electrochemical Laboratory. Eligibility: BE or BTech in Mechanical, Biomedical, Polymer Science, Chemical Engineering with GATE or NET. MSc in Chemistry. ME or MTech in Mechanical, Biomedical, Polymer Science, Chemical Engineering. Age limit: maximum 28 years. Application procedure: send application in prescribed application format in the DRDO website with scanned copies of all documents to the email ID hrdDEBL@debl.drdo.in before 20 February. Thanks for watching till the end.